Hey, good evening, guys. Greetings. This is JK from your friendly investment channel. Today is Wednesday, 12th of April 2023. Wow, what a day again, right? This we had a CPI report today. It was same as expected. Markets were green. However, as the day progressed, the markets went south and gave up all the gains, and they ended up in red. But it is not a big deal, guys. Markets were up for some time. They were anticipating some news out of the CPI, but eventually looks like they are digesting the numbers. But unfortunately, it turned out to be red, and you know, people make money even this type of markets, right? I'm not one of those. Day trading is a gambling unless you know the odds. But the biggest thing that is looming in the markets today are the banks. The banks are the biggest worry that might indicate that recession is looming, right? Recession fears are looming. So, what do? Right? Traders are betting against the shares of Silicon Valley Bank, First Republic Bank, Signature Bank, Charles Schwab, and all of them returned nearly 40% for the quarter. How? I wish I knew that, right? But banks are lagging the overall market. And now let's go look at the market actions today, just in a minute. Let's take a look at SPY, how it started, right? This is a daily chart. This has been really good the past 2 weeks, right? It started from 388, it went up to 411, and that's where it is stuck, right? From 411. Even this morning, it looks very bullish. This is really bullish, but on a bigger scheme, right? It has definitely had a good run from here last 1 month. Started at 380 and went up to 412, and maybe people are taking some profit, right? First quarter profit. So net, I'm pretty confident. This is down just to 0.1%, not much to be worried. So this is good. But the biggest bears are XLF. It is still not out of the woods. KRE, the regional banks, still very bearish. I don't know what is cooking there. Right? They are definitely lagging. I'm sure there are good trades out in KRE. But let's see if there is anything that we can see here. KRE. Yeah, see, these are the banks, and everything is negative except NYCB, right? New York Community Bank Corp, the only one that is making money. Their profit, everything else is negative, 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 negative. Means people are not happy about these. Let's look at another 30 more holdings. Everything is underwater. And that's what is really causing a lot of panic and don't know what is cooking there, right? What's happening here? Looking at the SOX index, SMH, definitely had a sale. It is down 1.7%. That means SOX index is down big. How about crude oil, CL? Crude is slightly down, but it is gone up a lot. It was 69. Nowadays, crude oil was 69, 64. So definitely things are not great for the crude. I mean to say things are good for crude, but not good for the banks. Yeah, crude is on the upper side. I mean, going higher. Especially summer driving is started. So crude is good, and it's probably good for all the crude stocks like Chevrons, Exxons. I know Warren Buffett was speaking today, and he probably has increased his Occidentals stake. Looking at Occidental today, definitely on the positive side, but it is kind of gone down and then it is kind of raising back up. Not sure. I wouldn't trade anything based on what Warren says he's buying, but definitely Occidental is one of them he's adding, and Pioneer is one of them. I like it. I know there was some M&A activity a couple of days back, so definitely it's good. Coming back to tech, AMD is definitely negative. Looks like it is kind of giving up some of the short-term gains. But definitely it had a good run from 54 to 99 and then they're selling it off. I'm sure it is market driven. Nvidia, same story, down huge 2%. Intel, I want to see it staying steady here. Hopefully it stays there like that. All right, and some of the 52-week highs, NVO, don't know why it is going up and up. Novo Nordisk is the diabetic drug maker or insulin producer, right? One of those guys. So it's totally looking odd unless somebody is going to buy them. Abbott's of the guys or AbbVie, Lilly, one of them can buy them or Pfizer. I don't know. Pfizer could also buy them, right? So this is something looking interesting. Tesla had a good gain today. Tesla had a good gain, but not anymore. It was positive, but looks like it's going down, right? Um, Apple, the regular ones, did not lose much. Um, Qualcomm did have a big loss, I think. TSMC, there was a bad news about TSMC saying that they are not going to invest in some new projects and it lost big and it came back. I heard Baba, they are selling at least, the hedge fund guy is selling Baba. Who's that? Japanese guy. So next time I'll bring it up. He is somebody is selling it. I think he sold a lot last year and this year to date, he has probably sold 7 billion from Baba. And then on the industrial side, Honeywell is positive. BA Boeing is positive. How about GE? GE is the one thing that we were talking about last week. It went up to 97. It's kind of coming and stabilizing here. So XLI is looking good. All right, I want to look at some bank stock that is at least coming back up. JP Morgan looks good, consolidating, but it did not lose much. Wells Fargo, the same story. Bank of America, same story. It's not looking great. Goldman Sachs, my favorite stock, used to be Schwab, but I'm just concerned Schwab might be involved with the tech, the SVB losses, right? Think or Swim, this platform runs on TD Ameritrade owned by Schwab. So the markets are good. QQQ definitely lost some trend here. Microsoft, Oracle has been roaring up and now it is kind of passed a bit. Definitely, Oracle something is being happening there. Salesforce, CRM, looking good today. Um, so net, I'm not worried about the market for the moment, but if you find something really valuable, try to buy them dollar cost average, and definitely it's going to be interesting in the coming days. Oil, oil is trading higher. Talk to you guys again soon in another video. Until then, enjoy. Cheers. Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Cheers.